Cameraman here, folks. Stuntman over there. We got a little bit of a wobbly drive shaft or something going on in this thing. Let me tell you, sometimes my drive shaft wobbles a little bit too, folks. What you got, Stuntman? Wow! Wow! It's got nothing, Stuntman. That's what it's got.
Take a look. Get in there and look at that drive shaft.
Wow!
Listen to me. It banged up against my feet.
That was fast. That's what she said, folks. Wow! Now, did everyone see that unbelievable amount of sparkage coming from under? Who's calling me right now? That unbelievable amount of sparkage coming from under here. I know you saw it. That was rip-roaring fun right there. Guys, let me tell you something that was dangerous. God forbid my wife left me and I wanted to start another family and it took out my family jewels. I have no more kids. That was close.
No, I felt it under my feet,
Look,
banging
scared,
away.
It's the hair.
That was a scare.
He needs a haircut.
The fuck?
No joke. Listen to me. You're gonna see in the replay the sparks. I don't know where they were coming from though, because I can't see it. I can't see the drive shaft hanging down. Hold on. No, you don't see it. You don't see it, folks. Not that there's any rot going on under there.
Check out the road, all the rot.
Wow. That was awesome. I mean, I expected some donuts. I expected something good out of this. He's teabagging it now. All right, you know what? Should I get the crowbar?
Yeah, get the crowbar. I'll hold the camera.
Oh, listen to me. Hold on.
All right, I got cameraman coming back with the big
weight on this
crowbar. That thing weighs a lot.
Coming too.
Go get her. Oh, fuck. All right, hold on. Go ahead, go get her. Oh, I'm getting glass all over me. Close your eyes. Oh, protection.
One on the fender and that's it. Wow, folks. You gotta love it.
I love it.
Over and out.
Over and out, y'all.
The beast is gonna take it away, folks. That was a glass shower. Oh, wow. The beast ain't playing tonight. That's the end of that truck. Drive shafted on us.
Yeah. Going on its last expedition.
I like that because that's an expedition. Then you say that it's going on the list.
Because it's the last
expedition. Because that's an expedition.
Ford expedition.
Like, comment, subscribe, folks. We're going all the way. A little something, something down at the old venue.